up, y'all? So today's video is going to be another wig review. IDHERE was nice enough to send your girl over another wig. So I'm going to show you guys everything that came in this packaging. I'm going to let you guys know all the specs and details of this wig, and I'm going to just go ahead and jump into this quick tutorial. So when you get your wig, it do come in this like a baggie like this, and it did come with a wig cap as well as an adjustable strap to like sew on your wig. Now this looked like one of those bra adjustable straps that comes with the wigs, so if I want to sew that on, I can definitely do that, so that's great. Now they did send this wig over in 20 inches. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. So y'all, this is how the wig look. It is kind of staticky because I took the hair net off of it, but this is, y'all, this static is ridiculous, but I'm not even worried about that. This is an highlighted ombre honey blonde 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig. So the color is like a 1B/30. The texture is a body wave, and it is 180 density. Like I told you guys already, the length is 20 inches. So far I'm running my hands through the wig. I'm not getting any shedding or any snags or any tangles. I actually do like this color. So the inside construction of this unit, you do have a comb here as well as adjustable straps right here at the bottom. You do have a comb right here on the sides and also a comb in the crown area. I always take my combs out anytime a wig have a comb in the crown area because it always snags on my braids and it's so annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this part of the comb, and this is how the lace is looking on this wig. The lace do feel really, really soft. I am not, y'all, I don't have time to bleach and do all of that to this wig because I need this wig for Saturday. Today is Thursday. Harmony birthday is Saturday, so I need to really get this wig done. I actually need it tomorrow, Friday, for her party. So I need this wig to be done quick, fast, and in a hurry. So this is how the hairline is looking on the wig. It looks pretty decent. It looks like it's kind of like pre-plucked a little bit. I don't really see any baby hairs on this wig, but this is how the lace, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's how the lace is looking next to my skin. The wig do have like a slight smell, not a corn chip smell, but it's just like a slight smell. I am gonna wash this wig. Anytime I get human hair wigs, I always wash them before I wear them. I feel like the wig performs better whenever I wash the wig. So I'm gonna wash the wig, let the wig air dry, and I'm gonna show you guys how I style it. Okay, y'all, so the wig has already dried, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the items that I'm gonna be using to style this wig, and we're gonna just jump right into it. So I do have my electrical hot comb, my Hot Tools 1-inch barrel curling iron, a wig brush just in case to detangle the hair, some NYX's hairspray, 2 clips, some Chi Silk infused hair oil, and I'm only going to use probably like a dime size amount of this, and my carrot hair wax stick. So So this is the finished result on how the wig turned out. I do love this wig. I feel like the hair is extremely soft. It was so easy to curl. I'm not getting any shedding or any tangles. I really don't want to finger comb through the curls because they are already dropping. So I think once I get to my mom's house, I am going to add some more curls in my hair. I didn't want to go in with any baby hairs because what we're going to be doing today for Harmony's birthday, I'm going to end up sweating my baby hairs out. So I was like, I'm not going to be doing no baby hairs, but if I do want to add baby hairs in this wig in the future, I'm going to go ahead and do so. Now, as far as the frontal, they said this frontal is a 13x4 frontal, but honestly this frontal is like literally stopping like where my crown area is. Like that's considered like a 13x6. A 13x4 would be like half of that. Literally the frontal literally stops like right here. Like the frontal is like really far back. So even though they say this is a 13x4, I personally feel like it is a 13x6 closure. I do want to apologize. In the beginning of this video, my camera was not focusing, so some of the clips are a little blurry, but we're just gonna make it do. I did go in, like I said, with my Hot Tools curling iron. I did find this curling iron in Marshall's for only $25. So if you guys are looking for a curling iron like this, it is a 1-inch barrel curling iron. You guys can go ahead and check out your local Marshalls or your local TJ Maxx. They normally sell these type of curling irons in their store. But overall, I do like this hair. If I had to rate this wig 5 out of 5, I would definitely give it a 5. So shout out to the company for sending me this wig. This wig is very affordable. It was under $100 for this wig. I'm gonna go and leave the Amazon link down below in the description box. And I did see that they did have a 5% off coupon, so anything to save some coins is always a plus. You already know we don't have to break the bank to look beautified over here, period. It's enough here on this wig to cover the tracks in the back, because you can tell, like, if you don't comb the wig right or brush the wig right, you can literally see where the frontal and where the tracks start in the back. But it's so much here in the frontal that you can just comb it and the tracks are completely covered. So I did not have any problems with that. I definitely like the highlights of the wig. The highlights, they did a really good job. Now when I tell you guys, I can tell that this wig has some type of coating on it, because as soon as I put the wig under warm water, the texture of the wig just felt completely different. Like, it was, you can just tell that the wig has some type of coating on it. I personally feel when you wash your wigs beforehand, they do perform much better. So if you guys notice that your wig is not curling properly, or you know, whatever, try washing your wigs before wearing them, because they will do so much better. So I did go in with 3 different shampoos. I went in with the Shimmering Light shampoo, so that actually helped, like, whatever coating that was on the wig, that helped got it off. Then I went in with my OGX Curls Unleashed shampoo. For the 3rd shampoo, I did went in with the Esha Girl by Janet Collection shampoo. Once I washed out the conditioner, I did go in and spray it. I did go in and spray the wig with some Esha Girl leave-in conditioner. That's also by Janet Collection. So all 4 of those products really helped the wig. Like I said, once I did all of that, I can tell the difference in the hair. The hair was more softer than it was before. I normally stay clear of frontal. I don't know, since trying Janet Collection, if you guys did not see that video, it's right here. Since I tried Janet Collection Juniper Wig, which is a frontal, I've been loving frontal so far. But I wanted to keep this style just completely simple as possible, because I know my curls is going to end up dropping, because we are going to have so much fun today. It is Harmony's birthday. So shout outs to you, baby girl. Happy birthday. I love you, I love you, love you, and I wish you nothing but many blessings. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications, so when I do drop another video, you guys won't miss it. But I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.